path, define questionnaire. I'll open the same path. Vilappan, we are doing questionnaire. Okay, survey suite or questionnaire. If you want to configure any questionnaire for the business transaction, how to configure it. So this is the path. And please join the session every day on time. It's 6:50. I requested everyone yesterday also. Anyways, okay, I'll open the civil part. SPROING CRM transaction, setting for opportunity, sales methodology, questionnaire for opportunity, define questionnaire. SPRO, ING, CRM, transactions, setting for opportunity, sales methodology, questionnaire for opportunity, Faraj, please mute yourself, some background sound is coming. Faraz? I'm getting some background noise. Define questionnaire. We want to do it for the opportunity. Select opportunity. If you want to try for the lead, you can select lead also. Select opportunity and click create button because we want to create a new questionnaire. Click create. Give some survey name. Any name like product launch survey, just for example. Simply I have given 01 to identify. Maybe if some same similar kind of name is there, so by 01 we can identify. Enter, enter, 2 times enter. Okay. Now we will add question and answer to our survey. Enter a title, double click here. Faraz, please mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Please mute yourself. Faraz, so much background noise is coming. There is one mute button in front of your name, the green color mic symbol. You can give some title, any title. That title will display in the screen. Product launch survey, enter. You can see title is changed now. Now what we will do? Now we will add question and answer. Right click, insert question, give some question, any question like gender. Okay. Rating factor means if someone will answer, how much point he will get. Suppose I am giving 10 or 5, whatever you want. Question wise rating you can give, and enter. Question will come here. Now we'll add the option for that particular question. Right click on gender, insert answer. It will ask for the answer category. What kind of answer you want? You want radio button type answer, you want checkbox type. This is radio button, see here. This is checkbox. So what kind of question and answer you want? Suppose I want radio button type. If you open, you will get all options. Suppose radio button, give answer male. For answer also you can give some rating. Suppose 5 I am giving. If someone is checked male, how much point he will get? Enter. See, it is added here. I'll add again. Right click, insert answer option, female. Enter. See, it is added. Like that, if you want to add more, you can add. One more question if you want to add.
Shashank, what does the rating mean?
Rating, see, whenever someone will answer the question, the system will calculate the points also. So rating is because of that one only.
Okay.
Right click, insert question again. Sorry. Right click, insert question, give question. How much you are satisfied with the product? Select, give some rating, enter. It will come here. Okay. Now we'll add the answer. insert answer, choose some category, give name like give answer very satisfied, enter. It will come here. One more option if you want, insert answer option, enter. Like that you can add n number of questions. This box is coming in between, it's not looking good, so we can delete this one also. It is because of this one. Right click and delete this. It will automatically generate always, so you have to delete it. See, if you want to edit this line, you can edit this one also, maintain text and attribute. Double click here and you can edit it. Enter. Okay. And what is this list and inline? See, right now we are in the list form. If you select this and enter, question will come like that. So you can change the layout also. Okay. Then finally save it. I have only 2 questions. You can add more also. When you click save, a prompt will come. Simply give here something. PDT launch survey 01. Anything you can give here. Enter, save and back. Our survey is this one. But if you see, something is mentioned here. It's not yet active. So we have to activate it. To select your survey and activate it. Successfully activated. It's activated now. Back. Second step. Now we'll define the determination for questionnaire. Without determination, it won't reflect in the screen. So second step is to define determination. Select new entry. Give some ID. Any ID you can give here. Give description. Test. Determination. Validity. This is the validity of the survey. Whenever the company will conduct survey, that survey will have some validity. Any validity you can choose from today or yesterday to some 1 week, 10 days, 15 days. It's up to the requirement. Up to 20th, suppose. Transaction type will be your opportunity that you have already configured. ZA9. Give your opportunity which we have already configured. ZA9. Sorry. Item level, questionnaire is not required. Leave that item level because it will reflect in the header area only. Questionnaire ID which you have configured just now. Choose it. Yeah. Product launch survey 01. Select it. Next thing. There are 2 options. One is mandatory, one is active. So what is mandatory? See, any questionnaire if you want to make mandatory. Mandatory means if you check this button, end user has to answer questionnaire always if you want to process the opportunity. Without answering the questionnaire, he cannot save it. So it's up to you. You want to make it mandatory or not. What is this active? If you will not select active button, even after all determination, after all configuration, it won't reflect in the opportunity. So this active button we have to select always. Okay. So without selecting activate, it won't reflect in the front end. So it's required. It is always we have to select. Suppose the company don't want to conduct survey now, so you can come and you can uncheck it. It won't reflect. So this active we have to select always. Sometime in the interview they can ask you, you have configured questionnaire and you have assigned it to opportunity, but it is not reflecting in the front end. So what are the possible reason behind this? How you debug it? So we can say there are two main possible reason. One, maybe we have not checked the activate button. Maybe survey is not active. Second one, wrong validity. Maybe the validity period is expired. These are the two reasons. If the validity is also expired, survey will not reflect in the front end. Okay, save it now. Enter. Next step, assign questionnaire to transaction type. Select it. We have 3 steps here. Define questionnaire. Now define determination for questionnaire and assign transaction type. These 3 steps. The last step we are going to do. Nice. I'll show you once again. Assign questionnaire to transaction type. What is our transaction type? ZA9 that we have configured already yesterday. Position ZA9. Select it. Double click assignment of business transaction category. Choose opportunity. Double click customizing header. Same method that we have followed for the sales cycle. By the same method you can assign questionnaire also. Select and choose your questionnaire. And save it now. Control S, enter. It's done. Now we can check in the front end. CRMD underscore order, press enter. Business transaction, create. Opportunity for test. Come to assessment. It's here. Okay.